Hi, Kristina here at the Eugene Science Center, and today we're going to be talking about Pop Rocks, which are a really fun candy because they explode in your mouth. Now, here's Bear with a short clip on what it's like to eat the candy and what sound it makes. All right, so now that we've heard what it sounds like from Bear, we're going to zoom in up close and see what it looks like under a microscope. All right, so this is an image taken from our digital microscope, 100 times zoomed in on a single pop rock. Now you'll notice there's a whole bunch of what look like craters, but they're actually pockets of compressed carbon dioxide. When the pop rock is dissolved in liquid, it actually releases that gas in a snap. All right, so now that we know the science behind what's going on, let's test it out with a few different liquids. So I have a 5 different liquid lineup over here, and I'm going to test each one with a small sample of pop rocks and see if we can produce the same sound as we got in our earlier video with Bear. So we're going to be starting with just plain old water. Let's see how this goes. There we go. We definitely have that very distinct popping sound. The gas is certainly being released. If you can see, there are some bubbles that are being produced. Very cool reaction. All right, let's set this guy over here, let him simmer down a bit, and we're moving on to our next liquid. So I have, in this container, vinegar. Looks very similar to water, but very, very different. Let's see if it works. There we go. Again, we're definitely getting that very strong popping sound and some bubbles, if you can see it up close. Very cool. But does it just work with clear liquids? I'm not so sure. Let's try it with our next liquid, which is lemon juice. That one seems to work just fine, just like the others. Let's go for an even darker, less clear liquid. This is some smoothie juice. Let's see if it works. A little harder to see the bubbles, but you can definitely still hear the popping. And last but not least, let's try it with milk. Now this is the least clear of all the liquids that we've tried. Let's see if it still works. Definitely does. Now, what's really cool about the milk is that because of the white color, we can actually see a little bit of the food dye getting dissolved into the milk. Really cool stuff. All right, so we're back with one final experiment. Now, I have the Pop Rocks inside of this balloon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip it into the soda, and since the soda already has carbon dioxide in it, I'm hoping that when the Pop Rocks release their carbon dioxide, we get an extra special reaction, and maybe we can fill this balloon. All right, so we're going to tip it in 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. And you can still hear that sound, which is really awesome. All right, well, I hope you have fun testing Pop Rocks with all sorts of liquids at home, and we'll see you later. Bye.